Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road Package. We do get a dual exhaust with this, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, and we do get a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we do get a block heater, 2 tow hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze textured cloth interior, plenty of door space, bronze accents on the door, cup holders with more bronze accents with the 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs, and you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, and we do have manual seats. There's plenty of door space in the front with that same bronze accent, parking brake, and your lights on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.3 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your screen here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here we have plenty of storage, with storage underneath, cup holders, USB and USB-C, leather wrap center console with tons of more storage. We have our rear locking differential, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, as well as we do get our climate controls right here. We got a 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs. We got more storage above with the 150 logo, storage in the glove compartment, tons of storage above. Here we have our auto stop auto start, backup camera, hazards, traction, and hill. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. We got our phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected, apps in general, any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. We do get this nice bronze accent along the dash as well, which provides a nice sleek look. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB86331, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.